So now eighth problem, we have root 3x square minus root 2 into x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. It is also in the general form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we are comparing these two. You will get a place is root 3 and the b place is minus root 2 and the c place is 3 root 3. We have to calculate, solve the equation means to find the x value or variable value. So for that to calculate roots, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So you know that a, b, c values here, you can replace here. Minus b means, so minus of already b value is minus root 2 plus or minus under root b square minus root 2 the whole square minus 4 into a value is root 3 and the c value is 3 root 3. Understood, students? By 2a, so the 2 into a value is root 3. Once again, you can listen careful. Minus b, so we have a minus sign, b value is minus root 2 plus or minus under root b square, b value is minus root 2 the whole square minus 4 into a value root 3, c value 3 root 3 upon 2a, 2 into root 3. Now you have to simplify that. X is equal to minus into minus plus under root. So we have here plus or minus. Minus square plus root 2 whole square means 2. After that root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 is 36 upon 2 root 3. I think you understood. So this is 3 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. Again we have a 4, 4 into 9 is 36. So the denominator is 2 root 3 only. So x is equal to root 2 plus or minus under root, this is minus 34 upon 2 root 3. So in the square root we have a negative real number. The solution is not exist in real numbers. That's why we have to convert into complex numbers. So x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root over 34 into minus 1 upon 2 root 3. So x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root over 34 into root over minus 1 upon 2 root 3. So x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root 34 into root over minus 1 value is I upon 2 root 3. So this is the solution set or x value. Friends, next question, we have ninth problem. It is x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. So what is general form of quadratic equation? You know very well, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You can comparison with that. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is here 1 and the b value is 1 and the c value is 1 by root 2. So by substituting these values in the formula, you know that what is the formula to calculate roots of quadratic equation or solution of the quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, students. So x is equal to, so minus of the b value is given 1 plus or minus under root b square is 1 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and the c value is 1 by root 2. Correct, students? Right, 2 by 2 into a value is 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus 4 by root 2, because 4 into 1 into 1 4 upon root 2 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus So you will get these kind of numbers in the lower classes. You are doing rationalization, correct or not? So this is the rationalizing factor root 2. What you will get answer, students? 4 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 cancel in 2 times. So this value is nothing but 2 root 2. Clear, students? We are rationalizing the denominator. Denominator is root 2. So the root 2 by root 2 is the rationalizing factor. So we can buy 2 into a. 2a is 2. So minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus 4 root 2 upon 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. This 4 into root 2, 4 root 2. This 2 in this 4, 2 times cancel upon by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus root 2 upon 2. So the last 2 steps are very, very important. Listen carefully. So x value is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root. I can take here minus 1 common factor. If I took minus 1 common factor, these two are interchanges. That means 2 root 2 minus 1 you will get. You can multiply and check. Minus into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Minus of minus plus 1 only. So once again you remember, whenever if there is a minus b, if you are taken minus 1 common factor, it will be changed as b minus a. So reverse of that number. Correct, students? So now I am taking from here minus 1 common factor. 2 root 2 will come to first and 1 will be the next. The same minus sign will be continuing. So we have in denominator 2. Why I took minus 1 common factor? Because you know that root of or minus 1 is I. That's why I took as minus common factor, students. So minus 1 plus or minus, this is minus 1 into this entire value. So I can write root over 2 root 2 minus 1 into root over minus 1 upon 2. I think you understood. This is a into b. Root over a into b is equal to root a into root b. Correct, students? So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2 minus 1 into root over minus 1 is I upon 2. So this is the solution set of quadratic equation. Solution set x is equal to set of minus 1 plus or minus under root 2 root 2 minus 1 into I upon 2. Understood, students? So the little bit rationalizing and do, because we have here denominator, numerator fraction. That's why the last 2 steps you have to do in smart work. Clear? Right. We'll go through 10th problem and last problem of in this exercise. So we'll complete this problem, then quadratic equations and complex numbers topic. 5th topic is finished. Clear, students? Right. So here also we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 by root 2, c equal to 1. So we are comparing x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 with this equation, students. So a place is 1, b place is 1 by root 2, c place is 1. So what is formula to calculate roots or x value of the quadratic equation? Known formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b. You know the b value is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus under root b square value. So what is b square here? 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and the c value is 1 upon 2 into a value is 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus under root 1 square is 1, root 2 whole square is 2, minus 4 upon 2. Correct, students? So x is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus, if you make LCM, 1 minus 8 by 2 upon 2. Correct, students? Right, x is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus under root minus 7 by 2 upon 2. Now x is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus, I can write it is 7 by 2 into minus 1. Students, you should remember this root is both numerator and denominator. Here also the same. So here this root is numerator as well as denominator. Numerator as well as denominator by 2, students. So x is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root a into root b. I can write root over 7 by 2 into root over minus 1 upon 2. So the next step is minus 1 by root 2 plus root I am splitting here. Numerator is separate as well as denominator is separate. Root over minus 1 is as I upon 2. Now here numerator again we can take LCM because the same value, if you take the LCM, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i upon by 2 upon by 2. This is root 2, sorry. I took here minus 1 by root 2, root 7 by root 2 LCM. Denominator root 2 is the LCM. So you are getting minus 1 plus or minus root 7i, students. After that, this root 2 will come to denominator. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 2 root 2. This is the solution set of the given quadratic equation. So solution set x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i upon 2 root 2 is the required solution. So successfully we completed complex numbers topic, PU completed. So now the next session we will start the easiest topic, sets and relations. Sets is a separate topic is there, that is first topic in your textbook. Already you are familiar in the lower classes, that's why I didn't start that. You feel it is easy now. So little bit there must be a different, you have to know the new concept. That's why I started with complex number. You faced some problems in complex number while going argument, what is theta, what is minus theta, like inverse functions, such functions. That we will discuss in the third topic, which is trigonometry. So now we will go through, next session is sets. Clear, students? Thank you.